If you want to use and fully control your Pioneer Xumo TV without the remote by using your smartphone, whether it's an Android or iPhone, maybe you have lost your remote or it's broken, or you just want one less remote to worry about, then here's how you can control your Pioneer Xumo TV using your smartphone's Xumo TV Remote app. We will start by installing the Xumo TV app from either the Android's Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Just make sure it's from Comcast. After it's installed, open the app, then check the box and hit Accept. Then hit Continue and allow access to local network. Now make sure that your smartphone is connected to the same network as your Pioneer Xumo TV. After you have ensured that, your TV will appear here. As you can see, ours is named as Basement Xumo TV. So we'll just tap on Pair, and after that you'll get the 8-digit code pop-up on your Xumo TV screen. So just put in the code and tap on Pair. And after pairing, you'll get the pop-up on your TV screen saying it's successful. After that, you'll get the full remote interface on your smartphone, and using this you can move around, use voice commands and all the other things that you could do with the included TV remote right from your smartphone. So that's how you can control your Pioneer Xumo TV completely using your iPhone or Android, and forget about the old school TV remote. If you found this helpful, let us know by dropping a like, subscribe to support our channel, and enjoy.